Hello, how are you all doing? I am reaching out to you because your name came across my desk on you're looking for work from home opportunities or a job to where you could do from home and be successful in earning some money. So I am happy to present to you a couple of opportunities. This is just my introduction. My name is Latricia Bland. I have been doing work from home for the since 2000 basically. When I was in college, had to find some way of doing some things that wasn't as stressful for my studies and different things like that. So I'm pretty successful at this. And I want you guys to be successful as well. I am not going to offer you anything that is a scam. I will not offer you anything that is over difficult. Most of the things that I am going to offer, your average 16, 17, and 18-year-old person can do it. If you are technology challenged, you can still do it. You just have to stick to doing it on a consistent basis so that you can learn the tools. Okay? So don't run away and be like, oh man, I can't do this. You can. So below this video, there are either 3 or 4 more videos. The reason why I'm doing it this way instead of in typing format is because all of us are very busy with time and we just don't have a whole lot of time to do a whole lot of reading and clicking here and clicking there. And I'm a person that likes to be personable with people. So if I'm doing it and you can follow it, or you can pause me and then do what you got to do and then come back, I know that you'll have it done and you'll be able to reach out to me. Okay? My contact information is below in here, so if at any time that you need to contact me, you can, and I'll be more than happy to contact you. If you guys hear my phone blinging and dinging doing this, I try to be as efficient as I can as far as reaching out. When you guys reach out to me, I try to do it as quickly as possible and reach back out to you, because I know I want somebody to answer me and I'm excited about what I'm doing. So here we go. I'm going to give you the opportunities below, and you could do all of them, you could do a couple of them, you could do one of them. It all depends on your style and things that work for you. Okay? All right, so let's get into this. I'll talk to you in the next video.